After this very busy day with 5 cases, special cases, I have to say that our experience it's represented by about 1,500 ureteroscopies per year, and we have an experience more than 30 years, maybe 35 years, and we have more than 25 national premiers in flexible ureteroscopy with different flexible ureteroscopes and lasers. Next slide, please. What we have in our hands in 2025, we have new lasers, and we presented here such lasers. We have new flexible ureteroscopes, and today and tomorrow we will present also the new technology in flexible ureteroscopy, I mean the new flexible ureteroscopes. We have new access sheets, and this is great for our activity. I mean, we are very close to the ideal ureteroscopy without residual stones. And we have in our hands suction devices that we presented here, and I think these are absolutely essential for our future activity, because we have in our hands, you know, it's a balance. On the right side is efficiency. It's clear. We need better efficiency. In the left side, we have safety. This is important, these two to be together, efficiency and safety. Next slide, please. Yes, we discussed about suction, and I put there our first, in 2021, our first presentation, our first online surgery with Professor Zeng from Guangzhou, more than 8,500 kilometers, and we operated together. Here is St. John Clinical Hospital and in Guangzhou Hospital, first affiliated hospital. The next slide please. Yes, suction. Look, in 2023-25, more about 100 articles on PubMed. Next slide, please. Next slide. And here, the importance, the great importance of the volume. I discussed and we presented here, and we discussed about the volume. It's the most important thing. I think it's much better if you could discuss about the size, I mean the maximum size, the longer size of a stone. It's not the same, really, totally. I hope that EAU will change a little bit this evaluation. The next slide, please. Yes, direct in scope suction. Tomorrow will be 2 operations with this direct in scope suction. Is new. It's absolutely great. From the ureter, you can extract the stone, the particle of the stones. The next slide, please. Yes, Wellead. Wellead is is here, is with us, and these are the techniques, and you know, 24, 25, the last years. Please, the next slide. And the new is this direct in scope suction, and we have already a personal experience starting with 2025. The next slide, please. And this is Tidor. We already presented here. It's a great instrument. Now Romania has this experience. The next slide, please. The next slide, please. In EAU, in Qatar, I presented the state-of-the-art with suction, the new standard method in 2025. And the next slide, please. Yes, Pusen. It's one of the best ureteroscopes nowadays in the world with suction. You can see 7.5, and the next one, the next slide, and look the advantages, and look there are two flexible ureteroscopes for Pusen. It's 7.5 French with 3.6 French working channel, and is 9.2 French with 5.1 French working channel. This is really impressive. And this is the great advantages of the new technologies. And I think this is the last slide. No, this one is the last slide. Yes, new frontiers. In 2025, we have new frontiers. And these frontiers now is in our hands. We are so happy to show here the suction, the game changer, advantages, miniaturization suction, ERP, IRP, and temperature real-time monitoring. This is the key of success in 2025. Thank you very much for your attention.